I'm sure that your group, I'm sure through your group, you see a lot of fellow attorneys making some very, I don't know, head scratching or like I don't know, frustrating mistakes. What's the most common lawyer marketing mistake that you see that just like drives you crazy the most?
I want to take this one first, Jim. I wonder if you're going to say the same thing. They stop doing what they started doing. I don't care what the thing is. You name the thing, whatever the marketing thing is. They stop after a month or two, and they just don't. They're like, oh, I didn't get any results, so it doesn't work. And so that is the most frustrating thing, because like the most important thing is consistency, and you've got to be consistent about it. So that to me is frustrating. They don't stick with it. And so I think that's probably one of the biggest mistakes, if not the biggest mistake.
For me, it's the lack of giving up of control. Lawyers are control freaks, and they keep their firms small, and they're afraid to grow because they're afraid to let go of controlling every single thing. I talked to a law firm owner once who was still doing basic bookkeeping, even though he had a firm of like 7 people. And I mean, like, he was doing the bookkeeping. He was drafting the checks to be signed. He was balancing out the, client trust account and all that stuff. It just made no sense at all. And it's because I think people who tend to be control freaks tend to become lawyers. And then once they're in charge, they don't have any checks on themselves. So that stuff sort of goes into hyperdrive. Then they get stressed. So they say, I got to control more. And so they really hold on tightly. And then if they try to step outside their comfort zone and hire someone and it doesn't work the very first time, then they say, oh, that'll never work. I'm never going to do that again. That's really what drives me crazy.